While Omega understands the value of investing in cutting-edge printing and finishing machinery, there are certain pieces of equipment that simply stand the test of time for power, precision, and efficiency. Our Heidelberg Cylinder Press is one such machine. Despite being nearly 70 years old, the Heidelberg Cylinder Press rivals today's premier printing equipment. Its impressive features include incredible printing speeds, which can run up to 4,000 impressions per hour, enabling Omega to efficiently produce large print runs. It also ensures every print project comes out flawlessly. The cylinder press's advanced mechanisms and meticulous calibration deliver sharp and consistent results, making it ideal for creating captivating brochures, books, and more. The Heidelberg Cylinder Press is extremely versatile as well. It can accommodate various printing formats and substrates, from standard paper to heavy cardstock. Plus, it can perform specialized techniques such as embossing, debossing, die cutting, and foil stamping, unlocking endless creative possibilities for our clients. Take advantage of all the ways our cylinder press can bring your print project to life, and contact Omega today.